Layla's desert jewel. Deep in the heart of a shimmering desert, where dunes whispered ancient secrets to the wind, lived a curious girl named Layla. She spent her days exploring, her heart filled with a thirst for adventure as vast as the sands around her. One day, while chasing a desert fox, Layla stumbled upon an old, leather-bound book half buried in the sand. Its pages were filled with strange symbols and drawings of magnificent buildings and lush oases. The book spoke of a hidden jewel, a place where the desert's past and present danced together. It showed her pictures of towering forts, their walls echoing with stories of brave warriors and wise rulers. Layla followed the map in the book, her journey taking her to the Al-Fahidi historical neighborhood. She wandered through narrow alleyways, marveling at the wind towers that touched the sky, a clever way to catch the cool desert breeze. Next, her adventure led her to the majestic Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Its white domes shone like pearls under the sun, and the intricate floral designs on its walls told tales of artistry and faith. The book then guided her to a vibrant souk, a bustling marketplace filled with the scent of exotic spices and the cheerful chatter of merchants. She saw colorful lanterns, hand-woven carpets, and sparkling gold jewelry. Her journey wasn't just about buildings. The book led her to a hidden wadi, a secret oasis where cool, clear water flowed between rugged mountains. Date palms swayed gently in the breeze, offering sweet fruit and shade. She saw graceful gazelles leaping across the dunes and mighty falcons soaring high in the sky. The desert, she realized, was not empty, but full of life and beauty. As the sun began to set, Layla reached the final destination on the map, a towering skyscraper that pierced the clouds. From the top, she could see the entire city, a dazzling jewel of lights nestled in the vast desert. Layla smiled. She had found the desert's jewel, a land where history and nature, tradition and innovation lived side by side in perfect harmony. And she knew her adventures in this magical land had only just begun.